In modern bridge construction, precast segmental construction has become an efficient solution thanks to standardized production, rapid installation, and high-precision assembly. The SDI launching gantry is specially designed for the on-site erection of precast concrete bridge segments. It integrates segment lifting, transportation, positioning, fine-tuning, and temporary locking, enabling an efficient transition from factory-produced segments to completed bridge structures. The SDI launching gantry features a modular structural design, making transportation, relocation, and rapid on-site assembly more convenient. Its advanced 3D hydraulic micro-adjustment system enables precise adjustment in longitudinal, lateral, vertical, and rotational directions, achieving positioning accuracy of up to +2 millimeters and ensuring accurate alignment between adjacent segments. An intelligent PLC-based control system provides centralized operation through a human-machine interface while enabling real-time status monitoring and fault diagnosis. This helps make the entire erection process more coordinated, efficient, and reliable. Beyond precision positioning, the SDI launching gantry features self-propelled mobility and can adapt to straight, curved, and sloped bridge configurations. Depending on the bridge structure and construction requirements, the system can support both span-by-span construction and the balanced cantilever method. The SDI launching gantry is suitable for a wide range of applications, including urban viaducts, river crossing bridges, and mountainous highway bridges. We provide both overhead and underslung launching gantries with customized solutions based on specific project requirements, including bridge span, cross-sectional configuration, minimum curve radius, longitudinal and crossfall, and construction methodology. The SDI launching gantry can accommodate bridge spans from 30 to 75 meters, segment weights of 50 to 200 tons or more, and superstructure weights of approximately 300 to 1,800 tons per span. From standardized precasting to precision erection, the SDI launching gantry combines modular design, intelligent control, and high-precision positioning to provide a more efficient, precise, and safe solution for precast segmental bridge construction.